Ever wondered what those tiny creatures nibbling at your garden plants are? They're common garden pests like aphids, slugs, and beetles, causing considerable damage to your plants and the entire garden. But don't worry, there are natural remedies to keep these pests at bay. First on our list, aphids. These tiny pests can be handled naturally. One method is using a water hose to wash them off your plants. You can also introduce natural predators like ladybugs. For a DIY approach, try a homemade spray with mild soap and water. With these simple steps, you can keep aphids away from your garden. Next, we tackle slugs. These slimy creatures can be quite a nuisance. Beer traps work wonders, drawing them in with its yeasty aroma. Copper tape is another great deterrent. Remember to remove potential hiding spots around your garden. By following these steps, you can maintain a slug-free garden. Lastly, we deal with beetles. These can be tricky, but not impossible to control. Hand-picking them and dropping them into soapy water can do wonders. Also, consider using beneficial insects like parasitic wasps. These natural remedies can help protect your garden from beetles. So, we have discussed natural remedies for common garden pests, including aphids, slugs, and beetles. Let's recap. Aphids, those tiny sap-sucking insects, can be controlled with a strong water spray or introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs. Slugs, the slimy night crawlers, can be deterred with crushed eggshells or a dish of beer. Beetles, with their hard shells and voracious appetite, can be managed by hand-picking or using a homemade garlic spray. These remedies are chemical-free and easy to implement. They help maintain the balance of your garden ecosystem while keeping the pests at bay. Remember, a garden is not just about the plants. It's about creating a healthy, harmonious environment where your plants can thrive. And a thriving garden is often a pest-free one. Remember, a healthy garden is a happy garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.